Hello again, fellas, to another video of unboxing great action figures from Star Wars and other popular brands. Today we are going to unbox Star Wars Episode 1 Deluxe Obi-Wan Kenobi. Lightsaber handle triggers battle swing. Yeah, just like Darth Maul, the Darth Maul figure I got weeks ago. And speaking of which, hang on. As soon as I unbox Obi-Wan, I'm going to start demonstrating why these figures are among the top 3 of the Episode 1 merchandise. Now, let's read the back. We already did read that so many times. Now, here we have Obi-Wan swinging his lightsaber. He does it vertically. While Maul uses his lightsaber to block his opponent's attacks, Obi-Wan swings his lightsaber vertically, and you're able to flip him. But first, waist clip posts must be in holes in figure post on figure's back. Goes into blade. Manually spin figure. Flip lightsaber blade out. Yep. Try me. Insert figure and push post on figure's back to activate lightsaber swinging action. The Force is with you in all the Star Wars Deluxe figures. Here we have on the back Deluxe Qui-Gon Jinn and Deluxe Darth Maul. Yep, and over here you've got Darth Maul Deluxe. Now, let's unbox so I can demonstrate how popular these things really are. And as you can see, here we have Obi-Wan. Let me get this clear plastic twist tie unwind, so I can free him. Oh yeah, the legs too. Jeez, wow, man, 2 around the legs at once. God. Jeez. Wow. Oh boy. Now I'm just gonna unwind this thing so I can. Alright, here's the button on the back of the figure that allows him to swing his lightsaber vertically like a katana in kendo. Yeah, George Lucas based some of these saber swings on Japanese swords play. Yeah, such popular culture. Now let's try to fit this in here and test it out. Let's press the button. And oh boy, hang on. Oh great. Oh, jeez. Hang on. God, it's hard to. This one's tricky. Hang on. Let's try this again. There! Ha ha ha! Kendo swinging! Ha 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 ha! Alright, guys. Oh, right. Yeah. Powerful vertical swing. All right, guys, let's test these things out. And it's one is yeah, cool. Quite cool, huh? Of course, Josh spoiled the fight for me. God. Really, I kind of get emotional when people spoil things on me. Yeah, this is only half of Darth Maul's dual blade. Well, this is full of Obi-Wan's kind of lightsaber. There we go. Yeah, Maul's been pushing Obi-Wan Qui-Gon all over the place in the Phantom Menace Duel of the Fates. The number one lightsaber duel in all of the Star Wars movies. Nothing topped it. Not even what we saw in the Acolyte episode 5. Nor will any episode with the lightsaber duel. That just ranked as number 7 by far. Something, oh yes. Let me just take these out for a minute and show you. Man, 1999. Who would have thought that George would finally have the very first chapter of his Star Wars franchise coming out in the final year of the 20th century? Man, I gotta give him credit for holding off on doing the prequels too, because wow, man, they were spectacular. Even more so from the original trilogy, when movie making was still at its beginning stages. Man. Oh, what do we got here? Excuse me for a moment, guys. I tell you, they're not all I tell you, they're not all the way in perfectly, but they're quite a hit. Yeah. There's three of each. Well, and it's kind of hard for me to get these things properly angled for the camera to view, but hey, it is Star Wars. Ah, yeah. Yeah. The death of Qui-Gon Jinn, followed by the death of another character that Obi-Wan was close to, has definitely made Darth Maul his archenemy up until his death. And the other one is undoubted, while we know that his other arch nemesis is definitely his own Padawan Anakin, who became Darth Vader out of fear of losing Padme, but ended up losing her anyway. Man, a Zepric and a Zepric. Lucas did well picking Maul as the first Sith to be fought in the entire franchise by a Jedi protagonist like Obi-Wan. Yeah, Obi-Wan was more of a protagonist in these movies than Anakin. Yeah. It's a shame that the original actor who played Obi-Wan died a year after the release of Phantom Menace. Boy, Ewan McGregor does not disappoint. Yet I am disappointed by some of what his own Obi-Wan Kenobi Disney Plus series had become of, because of what's been injected into the movies these days. Wow. Still, his fight with Vader in that show was good. Quite grand. And it does top the fight from the original his battle with Vader in the original movie. Not because he got killed by Vader, but because there wasn't as much action to go, especially since it was just the start. And his fight with Vader had been the first of many And these things can be tricky to get in line properly. Yeah, the buttons here are tricky. They can't always stay in line with the buttons on the back of the figures. Well, guys, what do you think? Did you like what you see here? There's just one more of the 3 figures to reacquire for myself, and that would be Qui-Gon. Yeah, Qui-Gon's all that's left. Then, once I collect them all, you'll all witness how impressive it is to try to recreate the Duel of Fates. It's the easiest out of any of the Star Wars scenes from the movies to even recreate with these action figures at 3.75 inches. Anyway, carry on to what. Anyway, if you all enjoyed the display of these figures, please hit the like and subscribe button for more that is to come. Don't expect me to get any more for a while. I'm still trying to constrain myself from going high on a $50 budget every week. Yeah. Anyway, also be sure to leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed what you see. And just to make sure, if you guys keep leaving and missing. Yeah. There. Well, take care, guys. Be sure to hit like and subscribe to my videos, and also be sure to subscribe to Hold My DualShock reviews. They're good friends of mine from Louisiana, and they are and they still have a lot of faith in the original Star Wars movies, both the originals and the prequels. And I gotta give them credit too, because there's no way I'm gonna just go turning my back on it after getting myself re-synced into the original good old days that I've been enjoying since 1999, all the way up and so on. Farewell, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos to come. Avengers Rising out.